Before I started this mix photo for Samsung, I thought it was just another, mediocre or normal upgrade compared to its predecessor. That's why this video was the last one to be released among all the others. Of course, if you are interested in other Xiaomi products like the Mi Band 9, Xiaomi Mix Flip, or the Watch S4 Sport, you can check out my previous videos. But actually, this could be one of the most interesting foldables I've reviewed so far. Let's get started. First unboxing, Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 co-engineered with Leica Xiaomi HyperOS logo. Okay, nothing, some information here. That's pretty much like a Xiaomi classic packaging. Oh, all right. First, we got a card. Okay, nothing. And then we have the phone. Already took it out. And under that, we have the 67 watts charger, which is the same as the Xiaomi Mix Flip, and also the Type-A to Type-C cable. Ooh, open this insert. This is a little bit thick than normal. Pen and some more paperwork. And then the phone case, like this, right? This is the back part, and then feels a little bit flimsy. Okay, that's the case. That's pretty much the unboxing. Now let's get to the phone. Oh my gosh, it is so lightweight and thin. Really, you gotta get your hands on that thing by yourself. You will know how thin, how lightweight it is. All right. Now let's take a closer look at it. Okay, this is the back camera module. If you look closer, you can see those diamond-shaped pattern here, like right in the camera decor. We have the telescopic lens here. The camera module, it is protruding, and that would be give you a little better camera performance, right? Stay tuned for that. I will compare it. We'll talk about it a bit later. And then on the top, we have the speaker, obviously no infrared blaster, the Thinnest mic. This side, we have nothing. And here is the power key. That's also the fingerprint scanner, the volume rocker. Move to the bottom. We have the Type-C charging port speaker, the SIM card tray, and this is the hinge. And let's check if you want like how the angle, how much angle it can stay. Here you go. Okay, not zero angle, but you know, with all these normal angles, you just can stay there. The best part is to put your phone on the table and take photo like this, right? That would be perfect. Anyway, the first thing you might care about is the Crease, okay? Everybody buying a foldable cares about it. So if we view from this angle, yeah, it is like obvious. Even like you view from a normal angle, you wouldn't notice the crease. That's why Xiaomi didn't put too much advertisement on the crease part because it's not that great. Let's change it to a lighter background. Also obvious. So if you care about that, you maybe you should reconsider this product. But compared with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, it's the same. And speaking of that, I also compared it with the Z Fold 6 and the thickness, the design, everything. You can check it out. But that will be in another dedicated video. Stay tuned for that. And if you are wondering what's the difference between its predecessor, I would say, wow. Wow, so lighter. You can check thickness. Wow, crazy, right? Unfold it. Oh Jesus! Wow, I'm speechless. I think if the weight and the thickness that deter you from buying a foldable in the past, now you can really consider this Mix Fold 4 seriously. If you compare to normal phone, my daily driver, Oppo Find X7 Ultra, oh wow. Alright, now let's talk about the camera. So this is the camera interface. So one thing everyone loves is this. Whoa, you see? You can always use this outer screen as a preview window for you. Girls should arrive. We love this, right? And here, and just like that, you can use the rear camera too as your selfie camera. Isn't that great? The back camera supports 8K 24. Who would use it? 4K 30, 60. All right, 4K 60. default stabilization. Let's just check out everything to see if it's good or not. Let's run a little bit. Let's check if it's good. Alright, 4K 30 zoom. So this is the ultra wide. 1, 2, 4, 5. We can go all the way up to 10, 15. So we can go up all the way to 15. Okay, 0 point, the ultra wide. And the photo, it supports like 0.6, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, 10. It supports up to like 50 times of zoom. And portrait supports 4 focal lengths, 23, 35, 50, 75. Documents more, and here are all the features of the camera. Alright, just to give you an idea of how the camera has improved, I bring you the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. I know from the beginning this is not a fair game, but here let's just compare it just to see how much the gap it is. Okay, 4K 60. All right. Okay, the spring. All right. Let's compare. Let's go. Oh yeah, by the way, both phones supports like IP. No, for the photo makes photo 4 it supports IPX8. Anyway, just run a little bit. Okay. Okay, the front camera 1080/60. Let's go. Okay, let's go, let's go. Wow, it's really hot there. But for the flip, no, yeah, for the fold, you can always use the rear camera as a selfie camera, okay. Our 4K 30 FPS zoom. So, ultra wide. 1. This is 1 time, 2 time, 3.2, 4 time, 5 time, 5 times. Okay, and let's go to 10 times. Okay, the 10 times. I can see much clearer on the Mi 14 Ultra. Go all the way up to 15. Okay, 15 times. That is the 15 times. Yeah, but if you like, I know like for many people, if you buy a foldable phone, you probably won't, you know, care that much about the camera performance. Because if you want to buy a foldable, you definitely want a bigger screen, so you can view Excel, view documents much more convenient, you know. So yeah, camera will maybe want to be your first operation. You can see the mixed fold seems like get jittered a little bit because of the hot. It's really hot in Shenzhen now. Okay, here we go. And let's do. Alright, now to the part that you guys like most. Okay, now we are running Antutu benchmark just to test how is it. This is how the outer screen looks like. Ooh, so when you view such a screen, will you buy a foldable phone? I think you will, right? To be honest, I think for all the foldables, they can just leave out this one, you know? They can just get rid of this front camera because they can always fold it and then use the back camera, right? But yeah. Alright, definitely the score is not right because the GPU scores 0. That's not right, but alright, and that is the Antutu benchmark. Alright, that is my unboxing, the simple hands-on of the Mix Fold 4. Super lightweight and thin, IPX8 waterproofing, good camera performance, and especially the affordable price. If you are planning to buy foldable, to try foldable for the first time, or if you want to upgrade your previous foldable, I think this is definitely the one to go. And if you are interested, please check out the link in the description and get this one right now. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.